Welcome to Net Terms Tracker. In this video, we'll go from a fresh install to fully set up. It takes about 5 minutes and you only do it once. When you first install the app, you'll accept the terms of service, one click, one time, and you land here on the overview. The first thing you'll notice is this yellow banner, Essential Setup Required. Net Terms needs 2 things set up in your Shopify settings before it can work at checkout: a manual payment method called Net Terms and the Net Terms Gatekeeper customization. The banner tracks both, and it won't go away until they're done. Let's do them now. Click View Setup Guide. Everything you need is in this one guide, with the exact clicks for each step. Part 1. Add the Net Terms payment method. This is what makes Net Terms show up as a payment option at your checkout. 4 steps. Go to Settings, then Payments. Scroll to Manual Payment Methods and click Add Manual Payment Method. From the drop-down, choose Create Custom Payment Method and name it exactly Net Terms, capital N, capital T, spelling matters. Then click Activate. Once you've done that, you'll come back and confirm it here with this blue button. Below that is Part 2, Verify the Net Terms Gatekeeper. That's the piece that enforces your rules. It decides on every single checkout who is allowed to see the Net Terms option. The guide even has a shortcut that opens your payment settings directly. Here we are in Settings and Payments. Under Manual Payment Methods, there's our Net Terms method, created and approved. And just below, under Payment Method Customizations, Net Terms Gatekeeper by Net Terms Tracker, active. The app created it for you when you installed. If it's ever not listed, click Add Customization, pick Net Terms Gatekeeper, and save. Back in the app, open the guide once more and confirm Part 1 with this button. And it locks in green. The Net Terms payment method is set up. And that's the whole setup. Close the guide, refresh the overview, and the yellow banner is gone. From here on, approved customers can pay on terms at your checkout. In the next video, we'll tour the dashboard.